Hello guys, good morning. Today I'm going to unbox this DJI Mini 3 drone, and this is the basic package. So it comes without the controller. You can see over here what comes in the package: the aircraft, the flight battery, the USB-C cable, a screwdriver, spare propellers and the manuals. So you can see it here also, DJI Mini 3, drone only. And you can pull over here, or you can take a knife and cut it. On top we have the drone. The gimbal protector. The camera is totally wrapped in with plastic. Also over here there is a piece of this you have to remove also, and then the camera and the gimbal has a lot of place to turn. So you can film the side you want. That this drone weighs with the battery only 249 grams. It's quite special. So over here you have to place in the battery. Charge to activate the intelligent flight battery before using for the first time. So if you push here and here, you can slide the battery out. This is the battery, and with this battery the drone weighs 249 grams and you can fly about 38 minutes. There's also a possibility to buy a bigger battery and then you can fly about 51 minutes with the drone, but then with the regulations the drone will weigh more than 250 grams, so you have to be careful then. In Belgium you can't fly over people with a drone from a weight that's more than 250 grams. So if you want to see inside of the drone, how it looks like, and then just slide the battery in like this. We will see the weight of the battery. It's 81 or 82 grams. And if we see for the drone is 165, 166 grams. I have bought this separately, the controller, and you can pull this out, and here you can put your smartphone in. You have to connect it. This is a Samsung cell phone, so it's USB-C. You have to pull the cable in over here, and then also over here, and then the cell phone is connected with the controller, and so you can use this and you can see what the camera is filming, and push on the record button over here and maneuver with it with the controllers. So we will see further in the package what's underneath this. Some silica gel that everything stays dry. And then over here. So that's the package is empty now. And we can see over here what's in this package. That's also empty now. The booklets, safety guidelines, quick start guide, Japan flight rules, Australia flight rules, New Zealand flight rules, DJI warranty. A USB-C to USB-C charging cable. A screwdriver to replace the spare propellers. So if you want, get this out of the package, turn loose the bolts over here, and you can replace the spare propellers. So that's all what's in the package. The drone. The gimbal protector comes with the drone, USB-C to USB-C cable, the booklets, spare propellers, and screwdriver to replace the spare propellers. So that's a quick review, guys. If you buy the drone separately, so it's also included with the battery, you have spare propellers and a screwdriver and the booklets, and also this USB cable to replace your crashed drone. Or if you want to buy your controller separately, you can buy this this package and buy the controller separately. So that's all that I could tell you about it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.